Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the new screen time break feature on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. And I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. So, are you suffering from endless scrolling of watching TikTok videos on your phone? If yes, then don't worry, as TikTok now has a solution to that. With this new update from TikTok, you can now schedule breaks after a certain time. This will basically remind you to take a break from the app after a period of uninterrupted screen time. So let me show you how to set this up. Before we begin, make sure you update your TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by going into your App Store or your Play Store. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Now go to your Profile tab at the bottom right. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing. On the screen, you're looking for Screen Time Breaks. Tap on it. If this is your first time, you'll see this screen where it will give you some information about the feature. Press on Schedule Breaks at the bottom. Now select in how many minutes you would like a reminder to take a break. You can set it to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or a custom timer. Or you can switch it off. Once you have set that, continue to use TikTok app as normal. So in this example, I'll set a timer for 5 minutes. Once the time limit has reached, you'll see this prompt. It'll basically say, time to take a break. You can press snooze to continue your video on TikTok, and the prompt will reappear after 10 minutes, or press OK and then take a break from TikTok. Please note, this is just a reminder and it won't force you to take a break. And that is how to use the new screen time break feature on TikTok. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.